Hey guys, today is such a cozy day. Woo! And it's actually chilly, so I had to put on my sweater, sweater, because I'm feeling a little bit cold. It's not so bad. The sun just came out, but literally I wear my sweater for the past 2-3 days because it's well cozy right now. So I'm here. What me I go do? Me I go chop my chicken. I go do it outside. We out, guys. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna show you how real life in Jamaica go. Yeah, man. This is a real vlog. Reality, no prettiness. Me show you how me deal with my chicken meat. You see me? Yeah, man. In my backyard. Me there. In my backyard. And whoa. We have my chicken. And wash the chicken with water first. Cool it with water. Sir. Yeah, man, so just cooled my chicken with a little bit of tap water. It's a cooking reality show with Swaggy. See there? Little tap water over the chicken. Jamaican tap water, one of the best tap water in the world. You see me? No sarcasm, a real thing. One of the best tap water in the world. Jamaican tap water. You can drink it and not get damaged. See there? Just washed my chicken. And now what we are gonna do, see there? Aren't already there. You can see me. This is how I do it. See what you have to do when you come to Jamaica. If you want to live in Jamaica, you have to be able to do them things. You have to be able to manage the chopper to chop your chicken. See me? See that? Chop. You can't chop, you're not ready. You have to be ready. See me? If you can't chop, you not eat. If you can't chop, you not eat. Can't chop, you not eat. See, to be able chop. See that? Look for me chopping skills. Look at that. Up. Oh man. Hold it. See that? Watch out. Look at that. See there? Nice piece. And even blood, you don't see even blood come out of it. Oh, firm. Chop it. See there? Look at that. See, nobody can tell me can survive in a wild. Look at that. Yes, sir. If you can't survive in a wild, yes, sir. You have to survive in a wild. See that? Chopper just a chop, sir. See the life in Jamaica. See that? See that? Not even the little jeep of blood. Oh, nice. We can chop. See? Vital is vital. See that? Sorry, Rasta. I forgot you knife chicken. See? Yeah. But this is the lifestyle. See? Okay, sir. Yeah, let me show you. Camera. Go show people my skills them. See the 5 years of living in Jamaica. You're gonna be able to chop your chicken meat nicely. See that? Ready for brown stew. Ready for brown stew. See that? Woman is independent. You see me? This woman you saw just now on the tape is well independent. Oh, so I'm not independent. See that? This throw me, I throw it away. I don't need no skin. I not early use the skin when me brown stew the chicken. See that? Woman have to be independent. You see me? You see me? See bodies them come already. Them a look something. Where I look? Where I look here? You think you can lift a piece of skin? No sir, but them greedy. Them a go try. Them a go try to lift that. Them ready for steal something. Ever ready for come carry upon them little back. Something. Yeah man. Work of art. Work of art by Swaggy. And whew, just don't chop. Hey, the weather is really cozy. I'm not lie. But there Jamaica, I'm not lie. Yes, I'm wearing my hoodie. I'm gonna call it sweater. It's Jamaica. Whew, Jamaica can be well cozy. Yes, sir. So go on. Wash my chicken with vinegar, cause if I wash it with vinegar, whew, I may go in the kitchen. Guys, the reason why I do it here outside, can't bother clean the kitchen. Can't bother clean the kitchen. That's why I was chopping outside. It's less work for me. Cause when I chop outside, I have to clean the kitchen. Just I gotta wash my meat, season it, and kitchen clean same way. So if you have nice space where you can chop, yeah, let's work. Chop it outside. Yeah. What going with my hair? Hey, when I work, I'm in the business about my look. Yeah, in the business about my look. So we are work. Mila.
Where's the arms and the legs if you want to walk across, man? As you pull. Yeah. And you go like this. Yeah. That's a little movement.
Hey Mila. Roll back. Can you roll back? Go back? No?
You want to curl,
Mila and Daddy chilling before work.
Yeah. Good man. Come here. Come here. Come to Papa.
Nah, she did. So I'm starting with zucchini puree. It has a mild green color and I made it waterish, pretty waterish. Starting with a little bit. Zucchini is not sweet. It's a vegetable, so perfection. So it's a perfect vegetable to start introduce baby to your baby food. To the baby food. It's a perfect vegetable to start with. So what we're gonna do.
Don't make me eat that.
What? What you doing? Yeah, taste see. So mommy blend some food. First time the baby's gonna try something. It is not milk.
It's a zucchini.
Oh, no.
So I'm gonna put her mouth a long time.
No, but I can't get a whole spoon in one time.
So give her a little bit.
You should have put something over your neck. Capture the reaction.
Yeah, move it now. Big it boy.
Yeah.
Mila, how does it taste?
She likes it though.
You like it?
See that?
Just put her mouth again.
Over your neck.
You're gonna put it in her mouth.
Not all.
You wanna watch your head?
No. This one now the baby face.
You like it?
We need to bring a towel.
One more? One more, get some more. Вкусно?
Судя по выражению лица, очень вкусно.
И твой папа чин.
Но главное, рот открывает.
This is a zucchini. Немножко подавилась. И chocolate a bit.
Yeah, take time there.
She do good. She do good.
Realize.
You sure that's not too fast?
Daddy,
Well, though.
go in her face.
Daddy, what realize get inside?
No, I don't think she's getting inside.
Look a bit.
Next.
Даня, Даня.
Yeah.
Yay! You share your food, Nina. Good job.
You know, guys, since my mom came here to Jamaica, I as well started appreciate nature more because I see how she excited for nature. I always appreciate it. It's always appreciate nature, but I guess when you live in Jamaica, you kind of get used to whatever's around you, so you appreciate it less. So since my mother come, she started embrace the nature, the morning sunrise, evening sunsets, and so I started to follow her. And right now I'm standing here. It's today 7 in the morning, and I'm outside. My mom, she normally wakes up much more earlier, so she already got Mila, so she gone with her on morning walk, and I'm here in my yard space behind my house. I like my little yard space, so I'm just gonna take off my shoes. I'm going to take off my shoes and walk on the grass barefoot because I want to feel connected to the earth. I mean, it's just something vibrant I started to do. I don't know, it just gives me energy for the whole day. When I wake up in the morning, I just walk barefoot on the nice grass. Yeah, so watch me I do it. Watch me my morning ritual. This is my morning ritual. Watch and see, and maybe if you like it, you take it and run with it too and follow me, because it's really nice thing to start your morning with. Not with your iPhone, not with your Instagram, not with the sources, not with messages, no, not with news. No, news them can't wait. Never stress yourself with world news, cause nothing good are going right now. So what me do, I dedicate myself to the nature in the morning, to myself, and I charge my battery from the natural sun that shine in the sky. Okay, so I have that opportunity. I live on the island, and I am going to show you how I do that. So me I go charge me battery. Look how me I charge my battery. So look how Swaggy I charge a battery on the island. Yeah man, so I did a little stretching as well. Stretch my muscles from sleeping, and now I'm ready for the day. Yeah, and the sun is shining, so it's better to do it earlier in the morning because the sun is less harsh on you. Yeah, so I even brush my hair proper. Just run outside to catch the last piece of mild sun, cause after 8 o'clock, yeah, you know what I do it. After 8 o'clock, sun is going to be not so gentle on you, isn't it? Yeah. And just here, I just looked at my fruit trees, yeah, and I'm feeling better. It's like I'm ready for a new day. I'm charged, you know. I'm ready to go back and fight with daily routine. It's very important to be able to find joy in things that you don't have to pay for. That is the next thing. You can find joy in things where it doesn't require a check. You are really and truly happy person, because most things them require money, isn't it? To go to the restaurant requires money and enjoy a fish, isn't it? To go to the beach most of the times in Jamaica, to go to a nice beach requires money. So may I try to find joy in a simple things where they don't require money. Things that you can simply enjoy in your yard and you don't have to leave your house. Yeah, that is it. That is the message. That is the message from Swaggy. Just enjoy things. Try to enjoy things that does not cost you too much. Simple things. Simple is the way to go. Okay? Yeah. I mean, I have no plantings anymore. My neighbors have cut the tree. Well, them gardener cut the tree, so plantings them drop down, and obviously the gardener pick it up and took it. Leo, you're ready for your first online lesson. So my mom signed Leo for Russian school, online Russian school, so he's gonna study Russian as his second language. Yeah, so we're going to have a lesson, online lesson with the Russian teacher. Yeah, and Leo will participate. So my mom is here to control him so he listens and understands everything. And later I'm going to tell you guys if you liked it. So they're waiting on the teacher. Who decided to start with the Lionel first, and then we see if we like it, and continue with Daniel too, but I don't think Daniel ready yet. But yeah, the only thing is not convenient when it comes to online school Russian one, that the time zone is very different. So here in Jamaica it's right now 5 o'clock, and this teacher is from Moscow, so she kinda having If I'm not mistaken, like 1 in the morning. I mean, like, it's night time for her, but she works. I'm glad that she works late, so we can get the time, because that was our problem, big problem for us, to find a teacher who is capable when it comes to a time zone. Yeah, here I will stay with Mila. Clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Whoop whoop.
Как тебя зовут?
Лио.
Тебя так и называть?
Лио.
Кто говорит?
Скажи, меня зовут Лио.
Меня зовут Лио.
Классно, отлично. Так, у
А
нас
меня
есть-
зовут Любовь, я бабушка Лео. И буду присутствовать с ним на занятиях. Если вы не против, да.
Я люблю рисовать. У меня дома живет 5 крыс. Настоящих. Декоративных. Хочешь, покажу в конце занятия? Они очень крутые.
Хочешь? Ну, говори да-да.
Ой,
Скажи
а
да,
тебе
если хочешь.
А тебе маленьких или больших показать? И те есть.
Ну какие, отвечай. Каких, маленьких или больших показать тебе?
Если что, не стесняйся. Так что, правда, не переживай.
So me and my mom, we had to leave the room. Leo is in a room, only him and the teacher, because my mom, she was a little bit too harsh on Leo. Teacher picked up the vibes and asked her to exit the room here. So that is the thing. Well, I respect her for doing that, because not every teacher going to tell parents straight like, hey, you're killing your child confidence. So step down for a while, come back shortly. When we're done the lesson, we are going to have a conversation, and I'm going to tell you everything about my student. But for now, please lock the door from the other side. So that's what the teacher told my mom. And yeah, I came out too, because I just saw like I don't need to be there. Lionel can handle the computer very good, and he becomes shy around me, around my mom. Maybe he's afraid to be judged. But Lionel is naturally kind of reserved. So like you need time. You need, like, building relationships with Lionel takes time. He's not so open, and he will not be that child who will just tell you everything, answer everything. That Lionel is definitely not teacher's pet. Definitely not. He's reserved, and he's nice, but he is reserved. He's not gonna run his mouth, Yeah, so that is it. So we are out of the room. Lionel is just learning his Russian, and I'm just here mentally supporting him, right? So yeah, you gotta understand sometimes. You gotta understand, and yep, that's it. But so far, I love the teacher.
Бывает ядовитое, бывает нет. Не ядовитое? Это не животное, да, это рептилия. Это змея, да? Это правда не животное. Так, а вот это кто такой с длинными ушками?
Заяц.
Да.
Come, Danny. Look,
What?
the teacher is gonna show you something. Danny, come. Danny, иди сюда.
Дани, крысу хочешь посмотреть большую? Иди сюда, животное.
Danny.
Ой,
Слушай, ты выиграл у меня настоящий.
где? Мы не видим ее. Почему опять? Вот, смотри.
Look, Leo.
Они все одна подружки, поэтому ау! Меня хвостом бьют.
Danny, look.
Очень много.
Класс.
It's a
Да, Лёва.
giant rat.
Очень много. Очень их много. Вот то, которое ты хотел белый.
Классная.
Они, да. И у целых
You like it?